What is up, everybody? I'm back and I'm better. No, I don't like that. What's up, everybody? It's me, your girl, Samantha PEK. No. Too much? Okay. Anyways, let's just get started with the video that I want to make today. I noticed that, like, I have this natural, I guess, personality that I didn't know I had going on. But, sunshine, stop. But basically, this video is just going to be about how to get people obsessed with you. Obviously, you can use this for dark reasons, but you could also use it for your advantage or to your advantage. So you could use it for work, you could use it at work, you could use it for your friendships, your relationships. But just know that this is not intended for like dark purposes. It's intended to put you ahead of the game, to get you on a head start, you know? Alright, so the first thing to do to get people obsessed with you is to be genuine. So I noticed that a lot of people, when they talk, they're not genuine. You can tell, like if someone's being too nice, like you can tell when their comments are surface level, you know, and they don't mean it. They're not genuine, and that, I feel like that makes you look worse than actually making you look better. Like when you compliment someone and it's not genuine. So I always say to, like, if you think someone's teeth are pretty, then just tell them your teeth are gorgeous, or whatever. If you think their hair is nice, then your hair looks beautiful today, you know? But if their hair is like bird nest going on and you tell them their hair looks nice, you know, that's not very genuine. Anyways, alright, so we don't say things that we don't mean. And also, you can say, I feel like you can say things, positive or negative, to people and they can receive it. It just depends how it's delivered. So, like, you have to be kind and you have to be genuine in the way you deliver it, you know? Because if you come on, like, hard, then the person's just going to be defensive and they're not going to receive that compliment or constructive criticism that you're giving them, you know? All right, on to number 2. I didn't realize how, like, hard it is for people to be positive. I guess because I've been working on, like, for the past, I don't know, 10 years on focusing on the positives. So, like, now it's like second nature to me, you know? Like, for example, a few years ago, I went through a very traumatic event. I basically lost everything, you know, crying my eyes out, super heartbroken, but, like, I remember, I was gonna say vaguely, what the hell? I remember so precisely that I was talking to one of my good friends, Brittany, and I was crying, bawling my eyes out, and I'm like, oh my gosh, so, you know, whatever, just saying all kind of stuff because I was crying. But, like, in the midst of that moment, I was like, but I'm so thankful, like, I'm so thankful that, you know, God is with me through this moment, and I know it's a lesson that I have to learn. So, like, I literally, like, made chemical, what's it called? Like when you make connections in your brain, neurological pathways inside of my brain to become positive. And I believe that when you are positive, like, you're creating your reality to be positive. So, like, if you're negative, you're going to attract negative things to you. But if you're positive and you only see the positives in life, and also, oh my gosh, I have so much to say about this. I feel like just because I'm positive, it doesn't mean that I'm not rooted in reality. Like, I get it. Like, life sucks sometimes, you know. I've been going through it too, and it's not that I don't receive the negative stuff, but I choose to focus on the positive things so that it's easier for me to get through life. Whoa, this the sunlight. It's easier for me to, check on in life, and it helps with my mood, it helps with everything, my stress levels. So, back to number 2. Try to always stay positive and keep your vibration high. Also, I noticed that people are so attracted to not like looks, but like my energy. Like, people are so attracted to my positive energy. And I think it's because so many people complain, so many people look at the negatives. So when they see like Miss Sunshine come through, it's really, you know, attractive to them. All right, moving on to number 3 and how to get people obsessed with you. One second. Sorry, I had to shut the curtain. Okay, number 3 is to know your worth. Um, I think people are really attracted to people with high confidence, and it doesn't necessarily mean that you have to be this beautiful, nice figure, in shape, absolutely stunning, perfect, no wrinkles, no pimples person to be confident. I think confidence is owning yourself and being your authentic self, and, you know, just showing the world who you are and not having no remorse. Like, this is who I am. You're either gonna take it or leave it. So you have to know your worth, and you have to realize that you're gonna be okay with or without the people around you, because whoever's supposed to be in your tribe is gonna stay there. Okay. Number 4, on how to get people obsessed with you. Okay, I'm starting to feel like this is like kind of a manipulation thing, but it's really not. This is just what I do, and like, people tell me I have a magnetic personality like all the time. I'm not really sure what that means, but I like it. Okay, anyways, were we on 4, right? For some reason, like, when I talk about that, I start yawning. It's so weird. Okay, number 4, you want to make people feel like they can be themselves around you. How does that song by Beyonce go? Wait. Let me myself from you. Yeah? Is that how the song goes? Okay, whatever. But you want to make people feel that they can be their authentic, real selves around you, and they're super comfortable around you. So that means that you don't be, number 1, means that you're not going to be judgmental. That's a no-no. I feel like when you're judgmental, people will want to run from the hills from you. Run to the hills from you. Yeah. And also, you don't want to be awkward. Like, especially if you're with an awkward person, you don't want to be awkward. All right. Number 5. You always want to value your time, and you can't always be available to whoever it is around you. And if you think about it, like, time is of the essence. Time is our greatest asset, and we have the same freaking 24 hours as Beyonce. We have the same 24 hours as Warren Buffett, as Elon Musk, as Sarah Blakely. So, like, time is really valuable. and you have to set boundaries for people around you. And I feel like when you do that, people respect you more. You know, like you're not just giving your your time away for free and all that. There's always something we can improve on. You know, self improvement. All right, let's see. Moving on to the final point, number 6, is that you can never feel threatened by other people's actions. So this kind of ties into all of them. Actually, you can't let other people manipulate you, and you can't let other people threaten you. You have to be sure of yourself. You have to be confident for people to be obsessed with you. You have to be positive. You have to, what do they call it? A silver tongue. So I don't do this on purpose, but like I guess it ties into me always being positive. I always, it's almost like it happens like subconsciously, or not unconsciously, but subconsciously, where like I want to look at someone and see like what I can compliment them on. So like if I see a stranger and I love her shirt, I'll be like, "Girl, that shirt is so cute on you. Where'd you get it?" You know, or like even when I was working, there was this beautiful girl who was in the military. She wasn't dressed up or anything, but she told me she was in the active military, and I was like, "Girl, you smell so good." I was like, "You smell so good. What are you wearing?" And she's like, "Billie Eilish." And I was like, "Oh." And then we started talking. She was really cool. She was, shopping for Christmas presents. And I just think it's cool how we can connect to people so easily, by just being kind. And like kindness, I feel, is rare nowadays. So I don't know. This message is to, not only get people obsessed with you. I feel like, I don't know if I like that title anymore, but it's about spreading like genuine kindness, and just being authentic and real and genuine, and just make other people feel amazing. And of course, you have to feel amazing before you can do that. So until the next video, peace, love, and genuineness. Bye.